In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with Sugargoo. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so once I'm inside, go to sugargoo.com, and then what you want to do from here is click on sign in, and then on this page you want to actually click on register, and then from here enter your username, email, password, and then put in the verify the code here, and then click on the by selecting register. So click this box and then click register. So I'll quickly fill this out and show you what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see here, I've put in so I need to change my name. It needs to be more than 5 characters. So then I'm going to click on register. Invalid verification code, so make sure you put this in correctly. So I'll redo this now, H3FG, and click register. Now it's going to register my account. We'll click on save, and now once you've done that, there's going to be a code sent to your mailbox, what you signed in with or registered with. So go ahead and I'm going to go to my inbox here. That code should be sent by now, Sugargoo. So I'm going to click into here. There's my 6-digit code inside this email. I'm going to head back here, put in the code, and then click activation. Activation succeeded. Please go to sign in. So yeah, that's how to do it, guys. Thank you for watching.